From the Earth's deep soil comes a harvest that feeds the world.
This is the start of a journey of thousands of tons.
A harvest begins. Careful handling is paramount, even at this rapid pace. The first batch, ready for the factory. Hours turn into thousands of tons harvested.
First stop, the quality control and weigh station.
Thousands of tons of raw potato delivered directly to the processing line.
From the field to the factory, the race against time begins. A clean start, critical for purity and quality. Precision peeling, minimizing waste.
Watch out for the large ones on the left.
Yeah, got it. This batch looks clean though.
The human element of quality control remains essential.
The raw material is now prepared for its final form.
Whether for chips or fries, consistency is the key to the perfect texture.
A final rinse to optimize the product for cooking.
The transformation begins in oil, heated to a precise temperature. Minute-by-minute monitoring ensures the perfect crispness.
Cooling quickly, a crucial step for maintaining crunch.
Blanching, preparing the fries for their distinct two-stage crispness.
freezing to perfection, ensuring long-term quality and the final, satisfying texture when cooked at home.
Ready for packaging, this product stream is optimized for the retail market.
The moment of flavor. Uniform coating is achieved by gentle tumbling and precision spray.
Quality assurance checks for flavor and texture are constant.
High-speed automation ensures a perfect, consistent weight in every bag.
Ready for the shelf.
From raw potato to ready-to-ship product, a seamless and swift operation.
For bulk orders, the precision weighing is essential.
Act for extreme temperatures and long-distance transport.
Stored at optimal temperatures, awaiting the global market.
From the farm, through the factory, to your table. The full journey of the potato, complete.
The harvest is complete. The cycle begins anew. Preparation for the next cycle is an ongoing process.
Precise measurements ensure optimal growth space for every tuber.
Constant monitoring and scientific oversight protect the yield.
No imperfection escapes the high-speed optical sorters. The system ensures maximum purity while minimizing overall material waste. Specialized cuts for various snack products.
Moisture content is tightly controlled to ensure the fries achieve their desired crispness upon final cooking. Every ingredient, from salt to specialized flavor blends, is stored under strict environmental controls.
Innovation in flavor is a key part of the food science process.
The unique flavor profile, perfected and applied.
Traceability and freshness are non-negotiable standards.
Steady supply, shipping daily to retailers nationwide.
Maintaining the sub-zero environment until delivery.
The demand never stops, and neither does the factory.
Every hour, cleanliness is verified to the highest standard.
Optimally stored to maintain quality and minimize sprouting.
Controlled treatment to ensure stability throughout the process. Environmental responsibility. All water is treated before safe release or reuse. A continuous, redundant safety check for absolute product security.
Optimizing the starch and sugar for the perfect two-stage crispness.
Oil content and temperature are crucial markers for the final product.
Thousands of tons a day, produced with flawless repetition.
The entire process, orchestrated and managed by digital precision.
Layering the flavor for maximum impact. Developing the next popular flavor.
A final, subtle coating to prepare the frozen product for cooking. The ultimate safeguard for consumer safety.
Human oversight for a double check on machine accuracy.
A vast range of products, all traceable back to the single, perfect potato.
securely wrapped for safe transit in a variety of climate conditions.
A colossal inventory, maintained at sub-zero temperatures around the clock. Exported worldwide, a testament to quality that travels across continents. The final destination, reaching the consumer with perfection intact.
The second cook, the final step for the ultimate texture.
Ready to enjoy.
A simple ingredient, transformed by precision and passion.
The journey begins not in the soil, but in the laboratory.
From the lab to the greenhouse, the foundation of a healthy crop is laid.
Protecting the vulnerable seed from soil-borne diseases.
The same precision applied to specialized gourmet varieties.
Oil integrity is paramount. Constant filtration and renewal.
Strict monitoring prevents any off flavors from degraded oil.
A precise burst of steam for optimal surface conditioning.
Beyond the product, the factory environment is rigorously controlled. Minimizing downtime and maximizing throughput.
Farming meets high-tech. The modern harvest is driven by data.
Maximizing yield with minimal soil disturbance. Non-invasive scanning guarantees the integrity of every single potato. Absolute cleanliness is maintained in the cutting process.
Reducing moisture content is essential for a crispy texture and optimal oil absorption.
The perfect fry, a balance of temperature, time, and steam control. Every gram of seasoning is meticulously measured for flavor consistency. A final, innovative touch to enhance the at-home cooking experience.
Ensuring the deep freeze quality is locked in.
Automated palletizing for maximum stability and speed.
Product now moves from the factory floor to the global marketplace. Nurturing the crop, a commitment to sustainable, minimal chemical farming.
The final verdict, flavor is everything.
Thousands of tons of raw potato transformed into a perfect product, all in a single, seamless flow. Extra protection for the cold chain journey.
The heart of the supply chain, the distribution hub.
Final delivery, restocking the world's favorite snack.
Ready to share.
The end of the journey is the start of a moment.
Efficiency is maintained until the very last potato is recovered.
Hey, there's one right here.
Oh, good catch. Got it.
Got it.
The harvest season concludes. Exploring every avenue for sustainability and waste reduction.
cleaning to the microbial level, preparing for the next season's production.
Maintaining the precision cutting edge for the next batch.
This section here clearly underperformed.
Was that the drought or the soil?
Soil analysis suggests we need more targeted nitrogen application.
Precision planning, optimizing every square meter of the field.
Watch your back on this one.
Okay, slide it right next to the others.
The constant cycle of innovation and new product development.
A cycle completed. A process perfected. The future awaits.
The new season begins. The first delivery.
The cleaning process, starting fresh. Ready for the next stage of transformation. Optimizing the starch structure for the first fry.
The first perfect chip of the new season.
Product flow is at full capacity.
Flawless automation, maximizing speed and efficiency.
Ready for distribution. The cycle is complete and renewed.
The market awaits. A journey of thousands of tons has begun again.
Engineering the perfect separation.
Pre-wash begins the moment the harvest arrives.
Water management and reuse is a continuous sustainability focus.
A second layer of inspection for absolute product quality. Removing residual starch is vital for the final crispness and color. preparing for the oil with zero excess moisture. Time is precisely calculated for optimal texture. Ready for the final stage, protection and presentation. Perfect weight every time, achieved by complex synchronization. Full traceability, from the shelf back to the exact field and day of harvest. Maintaining the cold chain until the moment of final delivery. Securing the valuable cargo for the long road ahead. The final stage of the immense process, the road to the consumer. The final product, ready for its ultimate intended use.
Perfect result. Crisp on the outside, fluffy on the inside.
Automation ensures speed, consistency, and a final product of unwavering quality.
A constant flow of purified water is integral to the entire process.
Less than a second to assess, less than a millisecond to reject.
Pre-frying preparation is key to the finished texture.
Temperature stability is the secret to a perfectly uniform cook.
Tumbling gently to ensure every chip is perfectly coated. Optimizing the flow to feed multiple high-speed packaging lines. Creating the airtight chamber for freshness. Working in the extreme cold with machine-like perfection. final branding and logistic information applied. Digital tracking ensures the correct product goes to the correct destination. The final security measure before transit.
Delivery to the final mile of the supply chain.
The end product, showcased and ready for the consumer.
The home cooking stage, the final perfect cook.
The final crisp, fresh from the oven.
The taste of precision, quality, and care.
I'm so glad we decided to stay in tonight. Me too. This is exactly what I needed.
Dad, these are the best chips ever.
A journey completed. A perfect product delivered. Nature's miracle, scientifically managed for peak production. Cycle renewed. Harvest, process, deliver. Precision at every step. Taste the quality.
The end of one journey, the anticipation of the next.